Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You've already checked your plan and inserted the SIM, so start in Settings now. On Android, go to Connections or Network and Internet. On iPhone, open Cellular. Once there, make sure mobile data is toggled on so the phone can use networks. If prompted, allow carrier updates. These push required profiles. Make sure airplane mode is off. You're doing this to let your device talk to foreign towers. Enabling mobile data is the first concrete step toward roaming. Once mobile data is on, go to network operators to let the phone pick a carrier automatically. If it fails, switch to manual and select the local partner. Next, verify APN settings under Mobile Network Settings. Correct APN lets data sessions authenticate. Make sure preferred network type is set to LTE/4G for best speed. Also enable the data roaming toggle here. Without it, the phone won't use foreign data even when connected. You're almost done. Check the status bar for the foreign carrier name and a data icon like LTE or 4G to confirm connectivity. Open the browser or carrier app to test a web page. If it loads, you're live. Make sure to set a data limit or alerts to avoid surprise bills. If data doesn't work, restart the phone, reselect the network manually, or reset network settings as a last resort. If problems persist, contact your carrier for provisioning and APN help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.